Hello everybody, my name is Alpha and I'll be teaching you what is Boolean. So basically, Boolean is a way to have something change with using an object like this. So I believe it's in modifiers, yes. Here it is, Boolean. Oh shoot, oh yeah, this is correct. So first you select an object that you want to use to do something to the other object, and then you move it into place like this, and then you simply just hide the other object, and you have a void inside another object. So it's like basically you can do this, but you can't interact while it's there, so like it's kind of hard, but whatever. You can do lots of things with this, like make cabins, doors, like the indents to the doors, maybe TVs if you're good enough, and lots of stuff. It's basically very useful in many cases, like, well, this. I mean, and there's also another thing, I believe. Wait, let me see. There is arrays, which I'm gonna show soon. Okay, wait. Here, yes. Arrays. Oh no, that's bad. What was it? No. Okay. I believe it's the Y9. Yeah, here. Okay, wait. Basically, what array is like a wait, what? Did I set it? Yeah, here it is. Basically, what array is just like this. Let me just do something real quick. Array is basically you can have multiple things with lots of things. So I can make this 5 and I'll have 5 of these instead of 1. You can move them into place, and if you hide them, you have more voids inside the block you had before, which is this one, which is the Boolean from that object. Basically, arrays make multiple objects of the same size, same stuff, with one object, which is really useful in some cases. Like if you make a house, you can simply use selected all, use array, and you have more houses, which is very nice. And I believe that is all. Bye.